Good morning everyone, my name is Yasmin Hanif and I'm from class 10 Green. So today at the very special occasion of Teachers Day, I'm very blessed and honored to stand in front of you to express my love, gratitude, respect towards my dear teacher and our respected principal sir. So this year is very special for me as this is my last year and also maybe my last chance to celebrate Teachers Day with all of you. That makes this day even more precious for me. I still remember the very first day I walked in the school. I was nervous, shy and a little scared too. But the warmth of my teacher melted all my fears away. They guided me, supported me, and treated me with such a love that made me feel like I was never alone. With them, the school feels more just a place of learning. It has become a second home for me. And now, as this is my last year, my heart feels a little heavy, knowing I will be leaving not just the classrooms, but the teachers that shaped me, stood by me like my second family. It's said that a teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others. Truly, our teachers are light of our lives. They not only just guide us from books and lessons, but also teach us the life struggles, the dreams, and the values. We have teach us how to believe in ourselves when we almost feel demotivated and weak. And to our respected principal sir, thank you for being the backbone of our school, for always motivating us and creating an environment where we feel safe, encouraged, and inspired to grow. Your vision is something we'll always carry in our hearts. Your guidance are truly a blessing for us, and your leadership and care have made this school a home for all of us. I want to thank you, sir, for being my greatest inspiration. As I conclude my speech, I want to say, dear teachers, you are not just educators. You are the builders of our future, our second parents, our forever role model. And I've heard that a good teacher is like a gardener who sows seeds of knowledge and nurtures them with love and care until they bloom. That's exactly what you all have done for us. Today I'm very beyond the words. I want to say, you have corrected our mistake with patience. You have celebrated our small achievements with joy. You have stood by us through every step. You have given us discipline, courage, values that will stay with us for a lifetime. Lastly, on the behalf of my classmates, I want to say, we may leave the classrooms, but your teachings will never leave us. Wherever we go in life, your words, your blessings, and your love will always remain in our hearts. So today, with folded hand, I want to say thank you, dear teachers, and thank you, respected principal sir, for everything you have done for us. Wishing you all a very happy Teachers' Day. You all are very precious gifts of our lives.
Good morning everyone, my name is Yashika Sharma and I am a student of class 10 Blue. As we share the guiding stars of my journey, I feel deeply thankful for the chance to acknowledge the unwavering dedication of my dear teachers, respected principal sir and director sir. It's an honor for me to express my gratitude on this special day. They say school is just a building with walls and windows. Until teachers walk in, it becomes a place where futures are built in. My teachers have been more than just educators. They have been my guides, my supporters, and my strength when I doubted myself. Each one of them has taught me not only lessons from books, but lessons in courage, patience, and believing in myself. They saw potential in me even on days when I can't see it in myself. There were times when lessons felt hard, the journey seemed overwhelming, but thanks to their support and their endless encouragement. Along with the teachers, the leadership here has shown us what true guidance means. Our the principal sir had taught us that discipline is not just about following the rules, it's about respect and responsibility. And director sir, who created an environment where curiosity and questions were always welcome. Today, as I stand here reflecting everything that I have learned and experienced, my heart is full of gratitude. To my teachers, thank you for believing in me. Your kindness, your patience, and unwavering support. To Principal Sir, thank you, sir, for guiding us with compassion and strength. And to Director Sir, thank you, sir, for building a space where we could not just grow academically, but as a human being. At last, I just want to say, the influence of a great teacher can never be erased. It lives on in every life they touch. Every day, you plant seeds of knowledge and kindness in us. Thank you for lighting my path and inspiring me to walk with confidence. Happy Teachers' Day!
Good morning everyone, my name is Palak Chaudhary and I am from class 10th Green. Today, on this special occasion of Teachers' Day, we're together to celebrate and honor the guiding lights of our life, our teachers. Teachers are not teach us subjects but also life lesson. Behind every successful student, there is a teacher who believe and guide and supported them. This video is a tribute to all such wonderful teachers. Dear teacher, you are the light that shows us the right path, the strength that light us when we fall, and the heart that always care for you. Teachers may not build big monuments, but they build the future of every student, and that is the great creation of all. Your patience, kindness, and wisdom make learning a joy. Thank you for being more than a teacher. You are the true mentor and guide. Behind your every confident student, there is a teacher who believed in them first. Thank you for being that teacher in our life, and happy Teachers' Day.
Good morning, everyone. Respected Principal Sir, Director Sir, In charge Sir, teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Albi. Today is 5th September and we are celebrating Teachers' Day. At first, I wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is a birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was an excellent teacher, a great scholar, and President of India. Teachers' Day is the best way for students to express love and respect for their teachers. Teachers are the backbone of our society. They are the source of knowledge and wisdom. They teach us good manners and make our future bright. Teachers are our real heroes as well as our best guides. My dear teachers, we never forget you in our life. We are thankful and grateful for all your efforts today and every day. Thank you, everyone.
Respected Principal Sir, teachers, and my dear friends, a very warm namaskar to all of you. Today, I, Varun Singh of Class 10th Green, have got an opportunity to speak something on my teachers. Today is a very special day, a day dedicated to the real heroes of our life, our teachers. Teachers are not just the pupil who give us lessons, they are the one who build our futures, guide us when we are lost, and encourages us when we feel weak. And to all my teachers, your love and patience will always be remembered. From the bottom of my heart, I say thank you for everything and wishing you all a very happy Teachers' Day.
Namaskar everyone, I'm Jia Sharma of Class 10th Green and today's video is about a very special occasion, Teachers' Day. I would like to take a moment to share my gratitude to my lovely teachers and Honorable Principal Sir. A teacher is not only an individual but a guide and mentor. They do more than impart knowledge. Through their personalized skills and efforts, they shape the future of our upcoming generation. I wonder how can someone be so intelligent and hardworking at the same time. I would like to thank all the teachers for whatever that they had done for me. Thank you all the teachers for your efforts and hard work. Happy
Respected Principal Sir, my dear teachers and my dear friends, good morning. Today, I Harshit Mahajan feel truly honored to stand before you and speak on the topic that is close to every student heart, showing gratitude to our teachers. Teachers are the guiding lights in our life. They don't just teach us subject, they shape our thinking, help us to grow and prepare us for the outside world. They invest time, effort and endless patience to help us succeed, often without expecting anything in return. Think about it. Who stays after class to make sure we understand every tricky concept of math? Who encourages us when we doubt ourselves? Who believe in us even when we struggle to believe in ourselves? It's our teachers. In every notebook correction, every lesson plan, every word of advice, there is a care, purpose and love. Teachers don't just teach, they inspire. They are the role model who show us the value of hard work, discipline and perseverance. So today, we thank you. Thank you for the lessons. Thank you for pushing us to our best. Thank you for being patient when we made mistakes. Thank you for never giving up on us. We may not always say it, but we are deeply grateful. And no matter where life takes us, the impact you have made it will stay forever with us. Let us all make a promise, not just to say thank you, but to show our gratitude every day by respecting our teacher, valuing their effort, and becoming responsible, kind, and thoughtful individual. The kind of students our teacher can be proud of. Thank you. Forever grateful for our teachers. Have a nice day.
Good morning everyone, my name is Chahat of class 11th and I'm a student of Shiksha Niketan Gandhinagar. Firstly, wishing you a very happy Teachers' Day to all my dear teachers. And I think today is the perfect opportunity to show our gratitude and appreciation towards our wonderful teachers, so I would like to say a few words. I have no doubt I had the best teachers who were guiding me throughout my journey and helped me to become a good person. And your classroom was not just a classroom or a place for learning, but also a comfort zone for all of us. I remember the countless times you patiently answered our silly questions, the encouragement you gave during challenging times, and the moments of sheer laughter that made learning more enjoyable. The experiences you shared with us also gave us emotional strength and a motivation to me personally. Thank you so much for being more than just a teacher. You are a role model, a mentor, and a friend, and I want you to stay in my life forever to guide me on each and every step that I will take in future. At last, I have a quote to say that not everyone has the patience of a saint, heart of gold, and dedication without end, but you do. And this is why I just wanted to let you know that how much you are appreciated and loved. Thank you so much and happy Teachers' Day to all my dear teachers and miss you a lot.
मेरे सभी शिक्षकगणों को मेरी तरफ से प्रणाम, बहुत बहुत नमस्कार। मेरा नाम अर्जुन अब्रोल है और मैं शिक्षा निकेतन विद्यालय का एक छात्र रह चुका हूँ। मैं इस शिक्षक दिवस पे अपने सारे गुरुजनों को दिल से प्रणाम करना चाहता हूँ और उनको शुभकामनाएं देना चाहता हूँ, उनका शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूँ कि उन्होंने बचपन से लेकर आज तक हमको बड़ा करा। बचपन में मैं विद्यालय में गया था, उधर से पढ़ा, छोटा सा था जब मैं गया था, छोटे से लेकर बड़ा करा और काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें सिखाई। सब कुछ उन्होंने ही सिखाया, अपने बच्चों की तरह पाला, उन्होंने अपना प्यार दिया एवं आधुनिक काल की चीज़ें सिखाई, बुरी बातों से दूर रखा और व्यवहारिक तौर पे भी बहुत कुछ सिखाया, ताकि जिसकी वजह से आज हम अपने लिहाजे में रह सकते हैं। अपने आधुनिक काल में जो भी कुछ करना चाहें, आने वाली ज़िंदगी में जो भी कुछ करूँगा वो उनकी वजह से ही होगा, क्योंकि उन्होंने ही ये सब चीज़ें सिखाई हैं। जो भी कुछ करूँगा आने वाले टाइम में व्यवहारिक तौर पे या फिर आधुनिक काल के जितनी भी चीज़ें हैं उनके तौर पे उन्हीं की वजह से होगा और उनका बहुत बड़ा श्रेय होगा इसमें। और मेरे हमेशा साथ रहेंगे वो और उनकी सीख भी मेरे हमेशा साथ रहेगी और जितनी भी चीज़ें सिखाई और मेरे को हमेशा वो अपनी ज़िंदगी में कहीं ना कहीं ऊपर जाने में ही मदद करेंगी और हमेशा बेहतर बनने में मदद करेंगी। उसके लिए उनका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया करना चाहता हूँ, मैं दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूँ। और बस आपको इस शिक्षक दिवस की बहुत बहुत हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। नमस्कार, प्रणाम, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।